Hello and welcome back to HLS Crypto. My name is Dan. So the first thing we'll be talking about today is how much will 10,000 Casper be worth in 2025. So it's Casper with K. As you already know, I hold the other one, the CSPR token. And I'm making this video with the preference or the premise of I would like you guys to help me on this one because this is a difficult decision to make. Do I need to add this coin to my portfolio? Now, a lot of people are saying yes in general. I think it's becoming really, really popular. I've done a bit of research into it. I do like the project, but I'm just not sure on where this will fit into a portfolio, what kind of its competitors would be. I think something like Ethereum is maybe the closest we can kind of look at with this one. But first things first, I want to check the circulating supply, which I think is really good. I think that is a big plus point for it. It's got an $858 million market cap. If we have a quick look at the chart itself, the chart just looks really good. Like it just looks like it's constantly going up. Which then I'm slightly worried that maybe am I going to get in buying at the top? Because I don't want to do that. And obviously, I mean the top during this particular bear market as opposed to when it takes off in the bull. But it looks nice. The chart is looking good. And if I was to buy 10,000 of them today, it cost around 417 US dollars, which isn't bad. Isn't bad at all for 10,000 tokens in this. Let's have a quick little look at the actual website of Casper itself. So Casper are saying that they're beyond the block. So Casper is the fastest, open source, decentralized, and fully scalable layer one in the world. Now, to make the claim of being the fastest, that's obviously interesting because it could be something that could be really something that this could absolutely take off. The world's first block DAG, a digital ledger, enabling parallel blocks and instant transactions confirmed, built on a robust proof of work engine with a rapid single-second block intervals, built by industry pioneers, led by the people. So I'm not going to read through the whole entire website because obviously you guys can come on here and have a look at this yourself. So it says that Casper is a community project, completely open source with no central governance, following the ethos of coins like Bitcoin and Litecoin or Monero. I'm not keen on Litecoin. I've never really liked that coin. Max supply 28.7 billion. I think that's okay. We'll scroll down a little bit further now. So we'll look at the key features. So fastest transactions. That's obviously going to be a tick in the box. Instant confirmation, scalability. We've got efficient proof of work, security, block DAG. Now here as well, the Casper web and mobile wallet. So apparently the Casper web wallet is the most user-friendly and secure wallet available in the market today. The simple and easy-to-use interface makes it easy for you to send and receive payments. Now I don't know whether their mobile wallet is out yet. If it is, it could be interesting. What else can you do with that wallet as well? I'd like to find out a little bit more about things like that for when this mobile wallet goes live, because I think that'd be quite interesting. So exchanges wise, it's listed on KuCoin, MEXC, CoinEx, Gate. So it's got Uphold as well. BitGet. There's a few there. So it has got a lot of facilities to be bought. But I think it was Matt from Upfront Crypto mentioned that they were going to have a confirmed tier one exchange listing, something like a Binance maybe. Now, if that's the case, obviously it'll cause the price of the coin to go up naturally due to the fact that there'll be more people able to buy it. So that could be really interesting as well. When it comes to price predictions on this one, I find it a little bit difficult. I think at the minute, I would look at, say, a 50 cents return would be a good place, which would be what, about maybe like a 12x? And I'd be kind of happy with that. 50 cents if it went in now, you're talking maybe, like $5,000 back from 415 in, or 417 as it was a little while ago. I think that dropped a little bit. That could be an interesting price. But then could it go and smash $1? The thing I'm thinking about with this coin is, and I don't know if it's being mentioned a lot, is the fact that it seems to be a solid amount of hype behind it. it seems to be one of the coins that people are really, betting on as being, a massive project during the next bull run. And obviously, I believe the bull run's coming in 2025, so it does give us time to build up maybe a nice bag, maybe 50,000, maybe. But I need you guys here. I need you to tell me, what you think the pros and cons are of this, and how well you think this is going to perform. Because for me, I'd kind of be happy with a 50 cents. I think like a 12x would be nice, because I'm not trying to really push for 100x's. I want a couple of projects in my portfolio that got really low market cap that could then go and smash it and get me the 100x and above. But as I've always said on the channel, if we're trying to keep things spread, we're trying to keep things safe. At the minute, I'm still attacking my main bags, Gala, Trias, Quant, H bar, them kind of coins that I'm trying to build into my actual target. But is this something that I need to be looking at? Also, if there's a crash coming up in what people think maybe September, October, how low would this coin go? Because can we get back to maybe between 1.5, 2 cents? Because that would obviously be a much more attractive buying opportunity for me. It doesn't have longevity yet, so we've not got, it's not gone through the previous bull market, so we can't really use its own data against itself, which it may not be a bad thing, because it may just absolutely skyrocket. But yeah, like I said before, I need you guys to give me a bit of shill me on it. Tell me why I need to be buying it, and what you think your price predictions are. I think with hype, then maybe we could easily clear the dollar, maybe up to $2. I don't currently own any of this particular project, so it's more for you guys to really tell me, should I be in this? And I'll of course listen to your advice. I'll look at any pointers that you can give me on this coin, because it's a tricky one for me. This, I know a lot of people are really enjoying it. They really like it, and people have obviously already made quite a bit of money from this. I've got a friend, Lucas, who's very much into this coin. He loves this coin, so maybe it's one to really get involved with. I will definitely, once I get a lot more information about this, I'll definitely release an updated video, and hopefully we might see some slightly lower prices. Thanks once again for all the subscribers. You've all been absolutely brilliant. The comments are great. If you enjoyed this video in any way, then please hit a like on there and subscribe to the channel. And as always here, we'll see you tomorrow.